ka Sankardev College Shillong Shen haka Snem banwan kan sakinjo Sakarta ka bahanriu pau haka jingya lenti jongka ban sinyang ban penpriang ya jing nang jing start haka ne ka jalla Shibenta ka jing Pyrda jong ka Jingrakhe ya ka ne ka lungkut Snem haka artarik unailur la penlong ya ka jingalang Pyrda ya ka Jingrakhe ka ban ne Snem renter jong ka ne ka jaka pule ka ban kut haka Snem arhajar arpau ar banwan Haka artarik menta unailur arhajar arpaway ka Sankardev College Shillong kala Plie ba ya ka Jingrakhe ya ka Diamond Jubilee ne ka jingdap ndriu post Snem pura haka Snem arhajar arpawar banwan haka jingya lenti jongka ban ai ka jingsakri ya ka samla puli ki bawan puli haka ne ka college ka balaseng haka Snem shiajar khandais pa ndriu pawar haka jingalang haka ne ka sngi le don ringkat ru Menteri Sarkar ke Jela uba san bor Julai balong ru MLA ke nikathan ubala long ukong san haka jingalang ringkat u additional chief secretary jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya uba DP Watlang IAS kum sembut kongsan haka ne ke jingalang ke principal jong ke college I Dr. Iaka FP Lingdo Ilapan kre ya ke jinga thu lengkot halo ke jingseng ya ke nika college bat ke jingya lenti jongka hakinik hinriu post Snem balalen hadin ke jingkran na ukongsan ba usembut kongsan lapan kup buram kerpang ru ya ki arngut kinong tray jong ke nika college ki batray hapo office mentala bun Snem bat ai ke jingsakri na ka benta ban pinbit pinbyang ya ki jingdon kam jong ki samla puli
Today, there are students who have given a commitment that parents, I am sure I'll work hard. I will secure first division with at least 3 letters of distinction in subject. But unfortunately, they passed that first division, but they could not get letters. The next day, the next evening, they suicide themselves maybe in the bathroom or in the toilet. This is happening. And I remember how do we enjoy ourselves. When our name has come in the 3rd division, we dance and celebrate 2 months. 2 months we celebrate 3rd division. We go for education, not for quality education. We go for education, not for quality education. Perhaps because we get everything ready-made. That is what you have experienced. That is also my personal experience since my young age as a social and political leader. Everything is ready-made. Admission are ensured. I used trouble. I met former before the program of Shillong College. When I was very young, as an MDC, I used to carry about 30, 40 students, both boys and girls, those who cannot get admission in various due to the small percentage. I have to go and even I fight with Madam in our college, ensure to get them admitted. They are for my constancy. That's all part of our social life. Admission are ensured, scholarship are ensured, higher studies are ensured, or reserve jobs. Reserve jobs are ensured. Still, reservation policy still exists. Quality education is not actually required. Quality education is not actually required if this can go on like this. But in future, it's going to be different. It was very important for scholarship, reservation, admission in the medical college. If we get only 40%, it's ensured.